Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to introduce to you. He's a friend of mine. Yes, yes, I am. And he goes by the name Justin. Whoa! All the way from Memphis, Tennessee. And he got something special for y'all tonight. He gonna sing a song for y'all about this girl. Coming right here? Yeah. Come on.
On that sunny day, didn't know I'd meet such a beautiful girl walking down the street. Seen those bright brown eyes with tears coming down.
So he said to himself,
she deserves a crown, but where is it now? Mama, listen. Señorita, I feel for you. You deal with things that you don't have to do. He doesn't love you, I can tell by his charm. But you can feel this real love if you just lay your mind and fast in my mind. Girl, don't you slow it down. If we carry on this way, this thing might leave the ground. How would you like to fly? That's how my queen should ride. But you still deserve the crown. Why hasn't it been found? Mama, listen. Señorita, I feel for you. Feel for you. You deal with things that you don't have to do. He doesn't love you, I can tell by his tone. He don't love you, baby, but you can feel this real love. Feel it. If you just lay it down. Won't you lay my mama, lay my baby, won't you lay my when I look into your eyes, I see something that money can't buy. And I know if you give us a try, I'll work harder for you, girl, and the longer you ever have to. Señorita, yeah. You deal with things you don't have to. Don't have to. Oh. He doesn't love you, I can tell by his time. But you can feel this real love. Feel it. If you just lay your mind. Whoa.
sing it.
When I look into your eyes, I see something that money can't buy. And I know if you give us a try,
I work harder for you, girl. You won't ever cry.
Now listen, I wanna try something right now. See, they don't do this anymore. I'm gonna sing something, and I want the guys to sing with me. They go, it feels like something's heating up. Can I leave with you? And then the ladies go, I don't know what I'm thinking about. Really leaving with you. Guys sing, it feels like something's heating up. Can I leave with you? And ladies, I don't know what I'm thinking about. Really leaving with you. Feels good, don't it? Come on.
It feels like something's heating up.
Come on.
Can I leave
Yeah.
with you?
Now, ladies,
I don't know what I'm
sure
thinking
feel
about.
good to me. Sing it one more
Guys.
time.
It feels like something's heating up. Can I leave with you?
Ladies.
I don't know what I'm thinking about.
Yeah.
It feels like something's heating up.
Oh,
Can I leave with you?
ladies.
I don't know what I'm thinking about. Really living with you.
Gentlemen, good night. Ladies, good morning. And that's it.